This is a great opportunity to have very intimate discussions one-on-one with peers of mine, CMOs, directors of marketing, various aspects of marketing. I met today with someone who leads strategy and transformation for a large entity, and that was a great insight and great conversation about what he's doing, how he is thinking about his role, and even ways that our companies can partner. So very intimate setting, great interaction, really nice to talk with my peers and get to meet and network.